Welcome to Tamil Cinema News. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. We will do a quick review of all Tamil cinema news in the past days. Dragon roars into theatres with mixed reception. Pradeep Ranganathan's much-anticipated action drama Dragon hit theatres on 28 March 2025, and by 29 March, the film was already generating a storm of reactions. Starring Pradeep alongside Anupma Parmeswaran, the movie blends high-octane action with a youthful romantic subplot. Early reviews from Filmbeat Tamil praised the film's slick choreography and Pradeep's charismatic screen presence, with a rating of 3.55, calling it a roller coaster of emotions and adrenaline. However, X handles trending under Hush Dragon review painted a more divided picture. Fans lauded the second half's twists, with one user tweeting, "Pradeep proves he's more than just comedy, Dragon is a solid entertainer." Yet, critics pointed to a predictable storyline, with another post stating, "First half drags, but the climax saves it." 6/10. Box office reports from Tamil Nadu suggest a strong opening day collection of 15 crore rupees, buoyed by Pradeep's growing fanbase post Love Today. Ajit Kumar's Vidamyarchi continues box office domination. Ajit Kumar's Vidamyarchi, released earlier in February 2025, remained a hot topic on 29 March as it crossed the 150 crore rupees mark worldwide in its fifth week. Directed by Magijha Thirumeni, the action thriller starring Trisha Krishnan, Arjun Sarja, and Regina Cassandra has been a steady performer. Filmbeat reported a weekend surge in Tamil Nadu, adding 5 crore rupees to its domestic tally, bringing it to 85 crore rupees in the state alone. On X, Hush Vidamyarchi trended as fans celebrated Ajit's intense performance, with one user noting, "AK's screen presence is unmatched, every frame screams mass." Regina Cassandra's candid interview about working with deceptive directors, a playful jab at Thirumeni's secretive script process, also went viral, adding to the film's buzz. Sai Pallavi's playful interview goes viral. Sai Pallavi, currently shooting for an untitled project with Sivakarthikeyan, made headlines with a playful interview snippet. When asked about her free time activities, she quipped, "I dance in my room like no one's watching, because no one is." The clip, shared widely on X under Hush Sai Pallavi, endeared her further to fans, with one user writing, "She's the queen of simplicity and talent." Rumors suggest her next Tamil film could be a period drama, with speculation pointing to a collaboration with director Vetrimaran, though no official confirmation has surfaced. Thug Life shooting update. Kamal Haasan resumes action. Kamal Haasan's Thug Life, directed by Mani Ratnam, saw a significant update as the team resumed shooting in Chennai. After a brief hiatus due to Kamal's scheduling conflicts with Indian 3. The latest schedule focuses on high-octane action sequences. One India Tamil reported that Kamal, alongside Silambarasan TR and Trisha, filmed a chase scene in the city's outskirts. X buzzed with Thug Life update, with fans posting, "Ulganyagan back in action, 2025 belongs to Kamal." The film, boosting a starry ensemble including Dulquer Salman and Jayam Ravi, is eyeing a December 2025 release, with Netflix securing its OTT rights. Dragon Day 2 collections dip slightly amidst debate. Dragon's second-day box office figures rolled in, showing a slight dip to 12 crore rupees in Tamil Nadu, per Filmbeat estimates. While the film maintained a decent hold, online debates intensified over its pacing. Critics on X argued, "Too much action, too little story, Pradeep needs to balance better," while defenders countered, "It's a mass entertainer, not an art film, chill." Director Pradeep Ranganathan addressed the feedback in a tweet, saying, "Grateful for the love and learning from the critiques, more to come." The film's weekend performance will be crucial to its long-term success. Nayanthara joins Mammootty and Mohanlal in mega project. a massive announcement rocked Tamil and Malayalam cinema on 30th March. Nayanthara has signed on for a yet entitled film starring Mammootty and Mohanlal. Directed by a prominent South Indian filmmaker, rumored to be Jeethu Joseph, the project promises a gripping narrative blending drama and suspense. One India Tamil speculated it could be a trilingual release, with Nayanthara playing a pivotal role. Ex-users trended Hush Nayanthara, with one fan exclaiming, "Lady Superstar with two legends, this is going to be epic." Filming is expected to begin in June 2025, adding to Nayanthara's packed slate. At least 500 crore rupees reincarnation saga takes shape. Director Atli, known for Jawan, revealed tantalizing details about his next Tamil project. Touted as a 500 crore rupees reincarnation epic, the film is in pre-production, with rumors suggesting Varun Dhawan or Vijay Sethupathi as the lead. Filmbeat Tamil reported that Atli aims to blend mythology with modern storytelling, a departure from his action-heavy past works. Bust with Hush Atli next, with fans speculating, if it's Vijay Sethupathi, this could be a game-changer. Official casting announcements are awaited, but the scale alone has positioned it as a 2026 highlight. Dhanush's acting workshop inspires aspiring talent. Dhanush recently conducted an acting workshop for aspiring actors in Chennai, sharing insights from his decades-long career. Clips shared on X under #Dhanush workshop showed him discussing improvisation and emotional depth, with one attendee tweeting, "He's a masterclass in humility and skill, learned more in an hour than in years." The event underscored Dhanush's commitment to nurturing new talent as he balances acting, directing, and producing. Rukmini Vasant cast opposite Jr. NTR, Rukmini Vasant, rising star of Sapta Sagradache Elo, as the female lead opposite Jr. NTR in a Tamil-Telugu bilingual directed by Ayan Mukherjee. One India Tamil praised her effortless charm, predicting a breakout role. Ex-fans trended Hush Rukmini Vasant, with one post reading, "She's going pan-India, perfect pairing with Tarak." The film, set to begin shooting in July 2025, marks her Tamil cinema debut. Vijay's political rally overshadows cinema buzz. Thalapathy Vijay's Tamilga Vetri Kazhagam held a massive rally, drawing thousands. While his political moves dominated headlines, One India Tamil noted fans chanting Jana Nayagan slogans, blending his cinematic and political personas. X reactions included, "Vijay's farewell film will be his biggest gift to fans before he rules TN." His transition continues to spark debate, with some lamenting the end of his acting era. 14. Kavin's Kiss first look unveiled. Kavin's next Kiss dropped its first look poster, teasing a romantic thriller vibe. Directed by a debutant, the film pairs Kavin with Preeti Asrani. Filmbeat Tamil called the poster intriguing, while ex-users posted, "Kavin's picking diverse roles, can't wait for this." Slated for a July 2025 release, it's another addition to Tamil cinema's packed calendar. Tamil cinema eyes strong 2025 bounce back, after a lackluster 2024 with 1,000 crore rupees in losses, as per Hindustan Times. Industry insiders expressed optimism on 30th March. Producer G. Dhananjayan, quoted on One India Tamil, said, "With Vidamuyarchi, Thug Life, and Good Bad Ugly, 2025 will see bigger hits." X discussions under #Tamil Cinema 2025 echoed this, with fans hopeful for a return to 2023's glory days of Jailer and Leo. The past few days in Tamil cinema have been a whirlwind of releases, teasers, and star-driven updates. From Dragon's divisive debut to Vidamuyarchi's box office disappointment, and from Vijay's final cinematic chapter to Ajit's triple threat teaser, Kollywood is pulsating with energy. With upcoming movies like Rajnikant's Coolie and Ajit's Good Bad Ugly, it's clear Tamil cinema is gearing up for a blockbuster year. Stay tuned as the industry continues to captivate audiences worldwide. We will bring you more exciting Tamil cinema news every day. Please like, subscribe and share our channel and share your comments below.